Is anyone truly surprised to learn of another massive data and network breach? With an audacious, industrialized illicit economy, cybercrime-based enterprises make conscious investments in developing new advanced threats. For CISOs with seemingly limitless budgets, they can afford to pay a premium to acquire the latest tools and technologies to defend their enterprise.
But that's not your reality. Yours has limited budgets and limited resources. You carefully evaluate your options from the vendors looking for the best technology and best value. For a growing number of enterprise and service provider CISOs, that choice is Hillstone Networks' comprehensive infrastructure protection solutions. With Hillstone, their teams are given the visibility and intelligence to comprehensively see, thoroughly understand, and rapidly act against today's multi-layer, multi-stage cyber threats. Trusted by more than 20,000 global organizations, Hillstone protects enterprises and service providers, from the edge to cloud, with a lower total cost of ownership with industry-leading technologies. Favorably rated by leading analysts, Hillstone Networks has been included in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for network firewalls for the 7th consecutive year, and included in several Gartner market guides with our innovative security products. More importantly, for the second year in a row, your peers selected Hillstone in the Gartner Peer Insights Customer's Choice for Network Firewalls. Hillstone's cutting-edge solutions leverage AI and ML, and integrate seamlessly into security operation frameworks, assuring CISOs their enterprise is well protected. With a reputation for security that works, Hillstone's holistic suite of products can defend your enterprise. At the network edge, Hillstone's comprehensive edge protection portfolio defends organizations from multi-stage, multi-layer attacks. Built on a future-ready platform, Hillstone's NGFW solutions blend blazing high performance with advanced threat protection and intelligent policy operation. Hillstone's network intrusion prevention system provides flexible deployment options for both inline and passive deployment modes, leveraging advanced application awareness to deliver one of the industry's highest detection accuracy rates without sacrificing performance. In the cloud, Hillstone's cloud protection starts with the Hillstone's virtualized NGFW. The firewall deploys seamlessly in both public and private clouds. Additionally, it's performance optimized for a telco network function virtualization infrastructure, making it ideal for today's telco cloud platforms. Next, Hillstone's innovative micro-segmentation solution supports both VMware and OpenStack environments. The solution brings visibility to east-west data center traffic while helping block malicious lateral movements that are part of sophisticated multi-stage, multi-layer attacks. Server protection is achieved with our breach detection solution. It can analyze, detect and block advanced threats targeting critical servers and hosts. With sophisticated technology built on the well-accepted cyber kill chain, Hillstone's server protection solutions provide layered security in concert with our NGFW suite to block new threats. Application protection is provided by Hillstone's Advanced Application Delivery Controller. The ADC optimizes performance while ensuring availability and security. With industry-leading SSL performance, Hillstone's ADC can be used in conjunction with our other security solutions to enable deep inspection of internet payloads, detecting threats and malware in encrypted streams without impacting overall network performance. Our security management solution seamlessly brings together a unified view that provides comprehensive visibility to see what's going on across the enterprise, from edge to cloud, as well as intelligence to understand the nature of the threat surface. Our management solutions use these insights, in conjunction with our edge, cloud, server and application protection products to act in real time to mitigate and stop ongoing attacks. Our flagship operating system, Stone OS, provides security intelligence across all products to see, understand, and act. For products that integrate AI or ML technologies, Stone OS provides a pathway for the other products to utilize those findings. It's a holistic approach that helps Hillstone Networks to provide you with a higher level of protection and value. Today, Hillstone Networks has emerged as a global competitor in the enterprise and carrier-grade markets. Combined with a lower total cost of ownership, Hillstone delivers higher value for all customers. Contact us to learn more about our suite of solutions or to schedule a demonstration.